In addition, we request the Ministry of Interior and National Coordination and the Inspector General of Police to ensure that all criminals killing innocent people and sabotaging development in the 3 counties are arrested, charged and jailed.
We are not going to shield anyone because they are all criminals and they have all participated. If you are selling ammunition, if you are selling guns, if you are doing the actual stealing, if you are the one killing, if you are the one coordinating, if you are the one financing, anyone doing that should actually be brought to book.
It is time for the government to act so that all illegal guns in North Rift are taken away.